Hey, welcome to my channel. This is the Mavic Air. These are the props that come with it, and these are from Master Air Screw. These are low noise props. Finally, over a year later, we actually have low noise props for the Mavic Air. Now, if you're new to drones, you might hear the word low noise and think that the noise is less. Well, it's more of an irritant. You know, like propeller sounds, just like any sounds, are just subjective. Somebody hears something, they go, that doesn't sound bad. Someone else hears something, they go, man, that is screeching and just annoying and it makes me cringe. Well, the Mavic Air has a reputation of having the highest pitch, really annoying sounding props. You can be across a football field and hear those props because they're right at that pitch that's annoying to a lot of humans. However, I've done a lot of videos where I flew the Mavic Air and people had said, geez, that's not that bad. What's everybody complaining about? So it's very subjective. Now, these props here, even though they say low noise on them, I have not tried them, but I've tried all the DJI props that are low noise, and they all do the same thing. All they do is they take the pitch of the sound and they bring it down. And we all know as humans, high-pitched sounds, nails on a chalkboard, we don't like that. Low-pitched sounds, we don't mind it, you know? So that's basically what this does. Now, at the same time, they become more efficient as well. The engines don't have to push as much power, turn as fast, all that other good stuff. So you might get a little bit more flight time. That usually happens with low noise props because they're not spinning as fast, they're not making that really annoying sound. Anyways, what I'm going to do just to show you, I'm not going to do those goofy tests that you always see people do on YouTube where they hold up some sort of sound device. That's not your ear. Your ear hears sounds like, I'm a musician, I'm a guitarist, a lot of people know that, and I'll play certain notes on my guitar that are just annoying to people, and other notes I'll play them even louder, but they're not annoying. Why is that? So it's the same idea with this. It's kind of hard to tell the difference. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to fly my little Mavic Air right here, and you see this mic, this is a Rode microphone. This one here I use every now and then if I want to capture the full spectrum of sound. So I put this on my camera to capture the lows and the highs. So this is going to give you a good representation. So now if you're listening to this through your cell phone, you better put some good headphones on, or if you're on your computer, you better have good speakers so you can hear the lows and the highs. So I'm just going to fly the Mavic Air in one spot right here where I'm sitting, and I'll film it with the original props. Then I'll put the Master Air Screw props on, and you should, I haven't tried it, you should hear a huge difference in the pitch. One's going to be a higher pitch, and the other one's going to be obviously a lower pitch. You know, they're not going to be massively different. If you have no musical ability and you're hearing, you can't even tell different pitches in music, well, then it's going to be useless to you. But anyways, for most people, yeah, they'll hear a difference. Is it going to be substantial? I don't know. I haven't tried it. So we're going to try that now. I just want to show you what comes in the box when you buy these. Let's see, I did open one end. Here we go, this is the end. It's opened. So inside, it's pretty cool. They package everything up in a nice little bag. So my props are in here. There you go. You get 4 props inside. And if you want a close-up look at the props, let me just pull out 2 different ones. Hey, good choice. All right, so here's one here. You notice you have the white marking to put it on the correct motor, and no white marking. Also included in the box, you'll get your normal instructions and warnings, and you also get some stickers, and that's pretty much it. So could you hear a difference in pitch? I certainly hope so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link below this video to where you can actually find this product. They're not very expensive, and they do work, as you saw in this video. Now, if you're one of those people who, no matter what you buy, you always have problems with items, well, guess what? These guys at Master Air Screw actually have a link that I've added below to sort out any problems you might have if you buy these props and you stick them on your Mavic Air, next thing you know, you have all sorts of problems. Well, there's a link below that explains exactly what to do so you don't have those problems, or how to fix the problem. And here's the cool part. You know how I'm always out in the cold and I don't have a hat on? Well, guess what? They sent me a hat, a Master Air Screw hat. So now I can keep my little noggin warm when I head out in the cold. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one with more product reviews, more drone reviews, and I'll toss in the occasional RC car. Take care.